In Ukraine, we used to have something like it is now in Turkey. So there were few teams, like few professors involved in competitive programming, but really just a few. It was not popular at all in Ukraine. And then after we started a national contest in 2001, it became like a trend. Yeah, a lot of students, they started solving problems, basic problems, but still, like the overall number of teams increased dramatically. And after that, we decided that the local community, which would connect teams to each other, which would be responsible for running different camps, for managing problems, collecting them together and setting up the trainings for teams and connecting coaches to teams and universities, that's the thing we must have.